Welcome to this demonstration of virtualization of hard disk images. In this tutorial I'll show you how to mount a encase evidence file and open it in a virtual machine. First of all, I'll use the program Mount Image Pro to mount my evidence file. Mount it, select OK, and the image is now mounted as drive E in this case. Now I want to create a virtual machine that uses this drive. So you open VM Ware, click File, New, and Virtual Machine. You use the custom/advanced function. Click Next. Again, Next. Then you choose the appropriate version of Windows or whatever operating system you're going to use. You browse where you want to have the output. Okay. Click Next. Next. Here you choose the amount of RAM that you want to assign to the machine. Preferably use the same amount as in the original machine. In this case it's 512 megabytes. You use the network access translation. You use the SCSI adaptive bus logic. And in this case you use the option use a physical disk and click Next. Now you need to choose the drive where your evidence file is mounted. In this case it was physical drive number 4. I choose the entire disk, click Next. I browse where I want to store the output from this file again. Save and Next. Now you click Finish and your machine is actually ready to boot up. As you see here, Windows XP starts but crashes and creates a blue screen. This is a known error that often happens, so you have to do a workaround. First of all, you shut down this virtual machine. Okay. Then you choose the VMware converter, the standalone version. It's freeware that you can download from the VMware website. In this case you want to convert the machine so that it runs. You use the option Convert Machine. You select the source VMware Workstation or VMware Virtual Machine. You browse to the machine where you have it. Here is the VMX file that you want to choose. Click Open. You click Next. Now you want to choose the output of this new machine. You need to have space enough that is larger than the actual size of the original hard drive, as you actually convert everything into a brand new machine. You browse to the location where you want to store it. In this case I make a folder called New Machine. Click OK. Click Next. You now have the just simply need to click Next on this one here and Finish, and the machine is now being converted. In this case it'll take approximately half an hour. Of Of course, it's all depending on the size of the hard disk that you're creating. As you can see here, the conversion of the machine is running, and it's just about finished. And I'll return back here when the machine is actually done. As you can see, down here, the machine is just about finished now. The conversion of the machine is now done. You now need to open it in virtual machine. So we open the machine that we just created. We find the new machine. And power it on. There's no floppy drive. And you see the machine now starts to boot up. Before the conversion, the machine would actually give us a blue screen of death, but now it should be able to open. And voila, here you have your machine. In this case we need to create an activation key, but that's a different story. You'll now be able to open the machine at least in safe mode and see what's on it. You can install additional tools if you want to, but this is the basic way how to create a machine out of a evidence file. I hope this has helped you, and if you have any questions, you are welcome to put them on the website.